Hey, how are you? My name is Vincent. I just wanted to thank Justin for what he's done for me. Just a little about what happened. I had gotten into a car accident back in January, and my whole upper back, my left shoulder was in a lot of pain. I wasn't able to do a lot of movements. I wasn't able to do the gym, which is one of my loves that I have in my life, obviously besides my family. But when I came to see Justin, he suggested something he called the TrapEAZE Technique, which I was a little hesitant at first, but he eased it into it. He was very convincing that it would work, and thank goodness that he did, because since I've gotten it done over the last few months, my pain level has gone from a 9 down to very minimum, back to even better than it was before. I'm back in the gym. I'm back into doing what I love again. Raising up my arms, picking up my children again, not a problem anymore. And I just wanted to say thank you to Justin, and I could truly attest to the TrapEAZE Technique.